Hello guys, this is Masco KE, and today I want to show you how to join Twitter Spaces on your desktop using your computer. So straight is a quick one. So we will go straight to Twitter. This is my Twitter, and also you can follow me at Masco254. So simple. How to go use your desktop on Twitter Spaces. So we will go to search here, go straight to search here, click on search, then write filter, then colon, spaces, then click on filter :spaces. Then after that you will come here and have a look on these are the links to Twitter Spaces, the conversations that are going on and those that have ended. So you'll have to click on the link to be able to know if it ended or not. So this ended. So Twitter has not given a button where you can join the Twitter Spaces yet, but you can join it through the link filter :spaces. So we will go back and look for another space. So we look for this one here. This one you can set reminder, maybe empowering web projects. You can set reminder, then when it's on you will be able to catch up with it. So let us go down here to look for another one. I want one that is on. Of course you will see a mic indicating some signals showing that they are on. So just scroll down. I'll just scroll down looking for one that is on Twitter Spaces. So this one is on. So I will click to listen. So I will join the spaces. So a tab will open from this on. See? Now when you click on this button here, you can report, but you cannot join the conversation via your laptop. So that is how I can also leave and look for another. Remember, for the one that is on, you will notice there is a link, there is a signal that is showing you that the conversation, the spaces, the Twitter Spaces, the listeners are on here. I will continue also going down looking for another one that is on, and this one is on. Follow back, turn. This one is the topic, so you can click here to join, then join the conversation, which is interesting. Then you can start to listen to what they are saying. You can listen. Those are Indians. So I can still go down. This today people are so many on Twitter Spaces though, so that is how you can listen via your desktop.
Okay, retweeting. I want to see you again on the retweet section. Can you do the next follow me? I'm going to take your tweet.
Yes, that is how you join the Twitter Spaces. In case you have any question and you want to know more about Twitter Spaces, you can leave your comment on the comment bar. Also follow our YouTube channel, subscribe and click on the bell button. So this is Jeep Masco, and you can also follow us on at Masco 254 on Twitter. So Masco 254 is my Twitter handle. You can follow me for me to follow you back and also connect you with so many following. So thank you very much. That is how to link your desktop or to get connected on Twitter Spaces via your desktop. Bye.